guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to take a look on an AI agent, how an AI agent works and how we can configure the AI agent in a ServiceNow instance. In nowadays, AI agent, agentic AI, generative AI are the buzzword, but still many of the developers are struggling to get some hands-on on AI agent or Now Assist. So today I have come up with the good course which you can access and request for a lab instance for some hands-on where you can easily go ahead and create your own AI agents. So during this video, we are going to build our own AI agent. In our scenario, we are going to build a agent named code review agent, which is going to review your code and will give you some recommendations and fix the error in the code. So before we start, a quick summary of an AI agent. What is an AI agent? Is a specialized bot or an agent designed to perform a specific task. Like we can have an agent to just resolve the incident. We can have an agent to update the record. We can have an agent to do something. Like we can have an agent to review the code as well. So the same way we are going to we are going to build an AI agent. So if you see here in the filter navigator, I just need to type AI agent. So as of now, this instance is provided by the Now Learning. So all necessary plugins to build an AI agent has already been enabled. So you can see that there are here it is module like AI Agent Studio, and under this we have several modules like overview, create and manage, testing, setting, and analytics. So let's go to the overview section. So I have already opened this overview section. So the moment you click on overview, it will land you onto this page. So under the overview tab, you can see that you have already use cases, problem investigator, AI agent, step for issue resolution. So these are out of the box AI agent and use cases. So when we are talking about AI agent and use cases, so there are two things, AI agent, and on the other hand, we have a use cases. Use cases is nothing but it is an AI agent workflow. So AI agent workflow or a use case is a business goal which we are trying to accomplish, or the problem we are trying to solve. Why we are building an agent? So that is what it is decided by the use case. What is the use case in which where we need to build an AI agent? So now we are going to build an AI agent from scratch. So under this create and manage tab, I'll just click on this create and manage, and here you can see that we have two options like use cases and AI agent. So first we'll create an AI agent, then we'll go to the use case. So under the AI agent tab, I'll just, as of now, there you can see that here are some out of the box AI agent provided by the ServiceNow. So we are going to build our own AI agent. So I'll just click on new. Now here I need to instruct my agent. Like first I need to describe the AI agent. I need to instruct the AI agent. I need to provide the instructions. So under this describe and instruct tab, so I can do it either two ways, either with the help of using Now Assist, or I can have my own prompt. So let me first show you with the help of Now Assist that how it populates. And but in this case, I have already predefined prompt, so I'm just going to copy and paste it here. So let's click on Use Now Assist. So let me see, like create an AI agent for ServiceNow code review that will also correct errors and give the correct code along with the recommendation. Now I'll just click on generate. Now the moment I click on generate, you see that it is going to fill the description box and the instruct AI agent section as well. So just wait for a moment until it generates the description. So if you can see that description is got generated by Now Assist, even the instruct AI agent role and the instructions. So if you see here, the AI agent is designed to assist developers in reviewing and improving their code. It can identify and correct errors, provide accurate code suggestions, and offer recommendations to improve code quality. So as of now, let's utilize this prompt given by the Now Assist and try to test this agent. Then we'll come back and provide our own prompts if this will not work. So I'll just click on save and continue. Now under this second section, add tools and information, so we can add a custom skill. So here are some several tools which we can add to based on our scenarios. So we can add a catalog item, we can add a conversation topic, we can add a flow action, analysis skill, record operation script, etc. So it depends on the scenario. Like we can also apply we can also add a now assist custom skill. So as of now, I'll just click on recommend tools, and it is going to recommend a perfect tool based on the prompt. So this is all happening with the help of now assist. So now in the backend, now assist is actually giving me the prompt. Like if you see that I have some out of the box tools, but I am not going to utilize any of which because it does not matches with my condition. So as of now, let's leave it as it is and try to run our AI agent. So I'll just click on save and continue. And under the define AI agent availability, so under the now assist panel, I'll just click on display and click on save and test. Now here you see that what to test an AI agent. So here let me try to provide like to any error code like new glide records incident. Let me make some mistakes here. Gra dot add query sys id, let's say abc. Now gr dot query if gr dot next, throw the output, then gs dot print. So as of now I'm writing wrong code to see the output of my AI agent which I've just created. So let's say testing, and I'll just click on start test and let's see how it works. So you can see that my task has started. Now orchestrator has triggered. So orchestrator plays a crucial role. It acts like a manager of the AI agents, which manages the AI agent. Orchestrator defines that which AI agent to be triggered on which scenario. Like in the code scenario, we have so this orchestrator triggered this code review AI agent. So as of now, you can see that output is not coming up. So let's say in the right side you can see that orchestrator and a code review agent. So here you can see that all the logs. So if you see here output, so to improve the efficiency and reliability, get abg instead of gr.add query. So this is, if you see, this is the output returned by the AI agent. Now what we are going to do, we the same way we are going to just make some changes in this AI agent. So now I am going to define my own prompt, which I have already predefined, and see if it works or not. So again, come back to the AI agent. So this is our AI agent, code review agent. Now I come back here. I have already predefined prompts. So I'm just going to replace the prompt with this, like AI agent description. I'm going to mention this. So in the description, this one, and instruct the AI agent. I'll just use this. And now in the instruction, I'll use my own instruction which I've created. Okay. Now I'll just click on save and continue. Now based on my description, again I'll just click on recommend tools. It is going to recommend a tool. Let's say it has, okay, it has already created one subflow. Like if I'll just add this, and if I open it, now just wait for a moment. So as of now you can see that nothing is designed because it is still loading. So let's leave it as it is. We'll click on save and continue. Now again we'll go ahead and save and test. Again we'll try to enter some wrong code and see how it works. So it is, just to add on, it is not always mandatory that your AI agent would work. You might have some, and you might encounter some error related with the prompt, so you just need to correct it, and based on the prompt it is going to work accurately as you define your prompts. So I'll just go ahead and define the query like sysid, let's say anything, gr.query, if gr.next. Okay, so gs.print testing. Now I'll again just click on start test, and again the task has started. It will trigger an orchestrator, and orchestrator will trigger an code review AI agent. Now in the left side you can see that finding the best way to help. Now it is actually based on that prompt, it is processing that code, and now let's see if it comes with the output or not. So you can see that in the left side it came with the output. The code review has identified several issues and recommendations. So first point is correct the typo, which is a glide record. Exactly, yes, glide. It is glide. I have typed glide and exactly the spelling mistake, glide record. Change gra.addQuery to gr.addQuery. Implement error handling for gr.query to manage exceptions and validate the SSID before used to prevent security risks. So this is what recommended by an AI agent. Now, if you see at the right side here, I have a AI agent decision logs. So under this, we have orchestrator section. So you can see that like prompt where gr new glide records, whatever the prompt we have injected here. Under the code review agent, you have you have the entire logs that how what is the thought, what is the action reason, how it triggered, what was the output, and all you can see it here under this tab, which is code review, your code review AI agent. Now we have one more tab. So under the overview, you can access all the OOTB agents. Under the create and manage, you can create your own AI agent or a use case. Now from under the testing tab, you can test those AI agent or a use case. Now if you come here in the setting tab, you will see some options like offensive content. You can see offensiveness. As of now it's on, so it actually allows detect, you can see that detect and monitor content created with generative AI in conversational experience that may include offensive material, so it such as toxicity, profanity, or etc. So you can see that under the prompt injection we can also disable, we can also define some limitations, like if you see configure in now assist admin. Prompt injection is a global setting for all now assist capabilities. Navigate to now assist admin setting page to configure it. So that is how we can do it. So as of now we have created our own AI agent. Now we are going to take a look on how we can create a AI use cases. So based on that AI use cases, how we can map our AI agent with that use case to trigger the scenarios. Have created our own AI agent. Now we are going to create a use case. So let me clarify what use case is. Use case is a AI agent workflow in the technical terms of ServiceNow. So this is something a business goal which we are trying to accomplish, or the reason why we are building an AI agent. Now under this use cases, you can see there are out of the box use cases already there. So I'll just click on new. So again, I am just confirming that this instance is provided by the Now Learning. So I'll share the course link in the description so you can access that course and request a lab instance for hands-on. So the same way, now I need to define the use case. So I also have a predefined prompt for our use case, but again, we are going to test it with the help of Now Assist first. If it will not work, then we are going to inject our prompt. So let's say use Now Assist. So you can see that example text is already there, like create an agentic use case for password reset, like that. So let's say create an agentic use case to review the code, correct the syntax and any type of error and return the any type of error and return the correct code with proper recommendations. and I'll just click on generate. So with the help of Now Assist, I can easily generate the description and the role section. So you can see that description, the AI agent is designed to review and correct code syntax, error, providing the corrected code, etc. So in the instructions, you can see that there are four instruction that is given to the use case. Now here you can see two more options like connect AI agents and suggested AI agents to add. So as of now, I know I have already created my code review agent. So I'm just going to connect my AI agent with this use case. So I'll just click on add AI agent. Now if you see here, I have code review agent. This is code review agent which we just created. So I'll just click on add. Okay. So now this code review agent has added. So I'll just click on save and continue. Now, just wanted to highlight in this trigger section, you can add several triggers based on that table. Like if you want this use case to be applied on a BR, so you can just add a trigger on the BR table. So whenever record is created on the BR table, it is going to trigger an AI agent and it will give you the correct syntax or the code recommendation, etc. So that is all would be driven by the Now Assist panel. Here you can see it from here. So as of now, we'll only test with the help of this testing module, because in this instance, Now Assist pan I don't have a Now Assist panel role. So let's save and continue. We are leaving it as it is for the trigger section, and in the display I'll just enable it. In the Now Assist panel, I'll just click on save and test. Now we have created our use case, which is code review agent. Now we are going to test, but how? Again, we need to provide wrong code. Let's see if it works or not. The same way, I'm going to provide a wrong code here. Incident gra dot add query sys id. Let's say this gr dot query if gr dot next gs dot print testing. Let's click on start test and see how this is going to work. So it again started the same way. It looks like an AI agent. So you can see that on the left hand, it is analyzing the detail of the request, and then it will trigger the orchestrator again, and your orchestrator will trigger the code review agent which we connected with our use case. So as you can see that this code review agent is came into the picture, and now it is processing the request based on that prompt already which we have defined. So on the left hand, you can see that finding the best way to help, and let's see if it gives the output or not. So if you see here, the code snippet has been reviewed. Recommendation: correct the typos in the code by using glide record instead of glide record, and gr.add query instead of gra.add query. Ensure proper identification and spacing for readability, using consistent naming conventions for variable and methods, avoid hard coding values, validate the query. So you can see that it is actually giving me the recommendations, it is actually giving me the code. So I can also fine tune my prompt uh, based on my business scenario. So let's see if you always review your code, or you give your code to someone else in your team to review before you deploy it on a production. So you can have a AI agent there which can help you with the code review process. So to make your work more easier, so you don't need to rely on someone else. You can have your own AI agents to be created to review the codes. So that is how an AI agent and AI agent use case works. So again, just to differentiate it, AI agent is a specialized pod to that is designed to perform a specific task. Like we created one AI agent for specifically for the code review, whereas use case is the AI agent workflow in terms of ServiceNow. It is a business goal which we are trying to accomplish. So that is what the major difference between AI agent workflow and AI agent. Although AI agent gets connected with the AI agent workflow in the use case, as you saw that in the we created a use case, we connected our AI agent with our own use case. So when that use case triggered, orchestrator came into the picture, and orchestrator triggered this code review agent. So in the backend, if I come back to the create and manage section, so let me show you what, let me summarize what we have done. So first we created a code review agent. Now under this describe and instruct, you have two ways you can use the now. Either you can use the now assist, or either you can define your own prompt based on the interest or the based on the business scenario. So I in the description, so here in the AI agent or a use case, description plays a very crucial role to work your AI agents. So based on this description, instruct the AI agent role is going to define, and the instruction is getting defined. So I'll just click on save and continue. Now under this tools and information section, I just clicked on recommend tool section to recommend the tools. You can see that get sentimental data. It is a subflow which got recommended by the now assist itself, but I can also have my own tool like catalog item flow action now assist skill to based on some different scenarios. Now if I click on save and continue, so under this availability section we have two things, which is status. So AI agent is active and running. Second thing is now assist panel. So this is the display icon which we can just enable. So let me define you the process how it works. So whenever you define any trigger under the use case, so let me go back to the use case. So this is our use case code review agent. So if I'll click on this code review agent, you can see that this is the use case. The same way we define the description, we define the instruction, and then we connected our code review AI agent. Now under this trigger section, you can define a trigger same as we defined in the flow designer, like created, updated, etc. So you can have a trigger. Let me give you one business scenario where you can just create your AI agent. So whenever any BR gets inserted or created, so that code is going to take. Let me show you under the created section. If you just provide BR section and table, you need to provide a BR like sys underscore script. Sorry, sys underscore script, like business rule table. So you'll have to define any condition like script part. Script is not empty, and here you defined as run as admin or any user. And here you see in the objective template, so this is the backend field name. So backend field name of the script is script in the BR. In the BR, if I show you the business rule, let's open any of the business rule as of now. Okay, so it is loading. So now under the advanced section, there is a field called script type field where we apply our logics. So I'll just come here under the advanced section, and now you can see that script section. So if I'll just right click on it, you can see that the backend name of the script field is script. So from here it is going to take an input like our code. It is going to pick our code from this field, and based on that code it is going to recommend rewrite or giving you the errors, etc. So that is how you can define the triggers. Now the moment you define the trigger, and under this you click on save and continue, you can just click on display now assist panel, save and test. So what it is going to do, so whenever any BR gets inserted or created, you will get one notification here in the now assist. The moment you click on that notification, your AI agent will trigger and give you the output or return the output within the now assist panel itself. So as of now, I don't have sufficient role to show you with the help of now assist panel, but we'll try to bring another video on this. So thanks for watching, and if you have still any doubts, you can please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.